Hey, what's going on, World Wide Web? It's your boy, Marlon O Bennett, the original student of the game of internet marketing. Yep, I'm that guy that's always in this place where I'm ready, willing, capable, and able of learning some things I never knew, and I'm always sharing with future entrepreneurs and internet marketers, as well as direct mail marketers too. Guys, we're back today to talk in another video about the thumbnail blaster software. And you guys know how super pumped up and how super excited I am about the thumbnail blaster software because there are so many things you can do with the thumbnail blaster software. Now let me recap a little bit about what we talked about so far. So far, guys, we talked about using this software to be able to create all kinds of eye-popping thumbnails. As you guys can see, I've already started using the software. I'm loving what I'm able to do with it just in terms of creating YouTube thumbnails for my YouTube videos. Why would we want to do that? Well, the reason you would want to do that is because if your thumbnails can catch the attention of the people surfing YouTube, then they're more likely, right, to get clicked on and maybe opened if there's a thumbnail that catches their attention. And so we also talked about how we could use that same software, right, to in our email, if I can ever get there, guys. So what I did is I went into my email last video and I sent myself an email, and this is the actual email, so you guys can see how I'm also able to take the images that I'm creating in the thumbnail blaster and create a thumbnail and take that thumbnail and use it in my follow-up email campaign series, right? Very powerful in terms of branding, and particularly if you want to do that kind of thing for my video advertisers and my creators. And so one of the things I put a lot of emphasis on is the fact that in our business, I talk all the time about the business we're in or businesses we participate as affiliate marketers or direct mail marketers. They're all fine and good, but we at the end of the day are our businesses. And when you can brand yourself, guys, you can go out and speak to your particular target audience up close and personal. And I can tell you that when there's a branding aspect rolled into your marketing, guys, it's just going to be that much more personal and that much more effective. So imagine being able to create your own thumbnails, be able to follow up with this actual software to be able to follow up with your email list the same way. You know, you really get to stand out that way. Now, I told you guys we were going to talk about some more videos, and we were going to talk about so many other things you can do with this software too. And what I'm loving about it is, and we're going to be covering this as the weeks go on, so I'm not going to let you guys see too much right now, but I will show you guys. I talked about cover letters, right? We talked about cover letters, envelopes, right? Self-mailers, right? You can take this software, right? Create yourself a nice eye-popping image, guys. And I don't know how well you guys can see this right now. I'm working on a new direct mail marketing campaign, but if you guys can see, I've created my own self-mailer here, right? And I took that image right down here that you see. I don't want to open the screen up. We're gonna get deeper into this later on, but this is a self-mailer, guys. I don't need an envelope for this. If you look up here, I already got my address up here. I got a place where I can put the actual peel and stick label as I start my direct mail marketing campaign. And of course, I speak a little bit here, but I took that image, if you look down at the bottom, and I did a simple, well, my wife actually did it, a simple copy and paste job. And so this will be the first page of my self-mailer. And I can tell you, we don't need envelopes for this because it folds over like this. And this is how it comes in the person's mailbox. If they turn it over, they get to see the cool image. But guys, you ain't seen nothing yet. The point is, that's you being creative. That's you stepping into your own greatness. That's you speaking from your own platform, right? Up close, personal, right? Stay plugged into the video. You're going to see where I'm going with this. And I can tell you guys that everything you see is going to be things that you guys are going to be privy to being able to get available to you. The thing is this, market and promote anything you want to. Put your own personal signature on it. By being able to use this type of software, again, you can create YouTube video thumbnails. You can create follow-up email campaigns and use those same images from those thumbnails to follow up with your actual list. Now, I make these actual images clickable, by the way, inside of the email. We're going to talk about that later on. But the point is, now, guys, you can create thumbnails, you can create follow-up emails, you can create explosive self-mailer flyers, no envelopes, right? You guys are going to see how this is all going to play out, because I'm going to take it when it's all said and done. Well, you'll see. You have to stay plugged into the channel to see how this all said and done. But here's the thing. You hear people talking all the time, and you've definitely heard me say time and time again, guys, you don't have to wait for anybody to do anything for you, right? You can speak your own success into existence. Now, it's great to be a part of a community of like-minded individuals who are serious about your success as either a digital marketer online or whether it's a direct mail marketer. It doesn't matter. But when you own the process and when you take possession and ownership of your business, guys, and you allow that you activate the best version of yourself, you won't be able to sleep at night sometimes. The sky will truly be the limit, because you can do anything you want to do. You're not relegated by anybody to do anything that you want. I have the most explosive information coming up for you guys. You must stay plugged in. I am in the laboratory creating some brand new funnels. Basically, they're created already. Webinars, guys. Webinar funnels. I'm just doing the damn thing. I'm sorry. I want you guys to stay plugged into the channel. I want you to realize that you can take control of your life, your financial situation, and speak your own success into existence when you learn to drown out the noise, pick a lane, stay in that lane, get focused, set some goals, right? Work on your personal development, right? Work on the things that's going to make you a better marketer, whether it be online or offline. Now I'm kind of ranting. I'm getting into another subject. So look, guys, before I get off this video, we'll talk again in the next video about the thumbnail blaster. Let's just take a look at it one more time. I'm loving it so much. I believe that you can do anything that you want using this particular software, just in terms of your brand, just in terms of the things you're going to be able to create. Not just YouTube video thumbnails, not just follow-up emails. You can also take these images and put them on envelopes, right? Just simply copy that image, send it off to a place if you want these images to go in your envelopes. You can do that as well, guys. That way, you don't have to wait for anybody to create any self-mailers. Wait till you see this, guys. Wait till you see the finished product, because I'm beside myself. But when you see how simple and easy it can be, and when you return that level of creativity to yourself, and you take that into your own hand, you can do anything you want. Anyway, I'll leave the link in the YouTube video description there for any of you guys who want to pick up this incredible software. It's by two of my favorite YouTube video internet marketers, and you guys will actually get to see it. You'll get to see how it works. You guys see me using it every single day. I'm going to continue using it, and I'm going to continue to show you guys how I'm using it with demos and where I'm going in my particular business with not only internet marketing, but direct mail marketing, and how it all ties in together. I appreciate you guys being on the video so very, very much. As always, this is your boy Marlon O Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. I'll see you guys on the next video. Keep banging.